So what I was explaining you, so here I'm explaining you about the roots along with the wave. So suppose we have one country A. In the country we have a state. Inside the state we have one city, we have the customer 1, okay, then customer 2. In another city in the country A, another state, customer 2, customer 3, customer 4. So means one country A, contains different states, different cities and different customers. Like similar, we have here the this is the country B. Inside the country, different states, different cities, we have the different customers. Okay, here we have in this country A 4 customers. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 customers. Here we have in this country COUNTRY. In country A B C we have the different customers, post 2 customers. Here we have country D, we have also 2 customers. This is the country COUNTRY D. Country A, country B, country C, country A, country B, country C, country D. Okay, now you will understand how wave works with the roots. Okay, so if you see here, suppose we have the warehouse located here. We have our warehouse located here building. This is our warehouse. This is the source country. This is our country where our warehouse is located, and we are going to send the products to the customers. We are understanding the business processes of the wave management. Wave management means very simple: optimization, grouping together the outbound deliveries, because we need to send the products to the customers. Okay, grouping together all the common materials to send to the customer. This is called optimization of the warehouse businesses. So here we will understand wave means optimization technique. Okay, roots the way, roots how we send the goods to the customers. Okay, let me check if it's zoom enough, or I will do. Okay, so in the country A, this is our source country where our warehouse is located. Suppose this is our warehouse. Okay, this is our warehouse. Country A, we have the 4 customers. Country B, 1 2 3 4 5 customers. Country D, we have 2 customers. Country C, 2 customers. And here we are implementing outbound deliveries along with the wave. Okay, so grouping together outbound deliveries. Grouping together means what we are grouping together customers, because outbound deliveries are associated with the customer. So indirect way we are grouping together all the customers. This is nothing but a wave. So how we will do this? So suppose source country, our country, we need to send the product to the customer. So suppose this is grouping together all the customers, okay, to send the goods to them. This is called wave. This is called wave 1. Okay, another country, we are sending the goods to the customers. This is called grouping together to the customers along with the outbound delivery. We call this is the, just a moment, I will manage the camera. So here we are sending the goods to the multiple customers. Okay, so This is the grouping together the outbound deliveries along with the customers. This is called wave 1. Wave 1, this is the route. This is the route from we are sending the goods to the customer. So wave 1, okay, we will consider this is the, here I will write, okay, then you can see more clear. So this grouping together outbound delivery, so we will consider this wave type 1 or outbound deliveries, not delivery, okay, because wave is 1, wave type is 1, route is 1, but different customers. So suppose this is a customer 1, customer 2, customer 3 in the country B. Customer 1 located in city 1, okay, customer 2 located in city 2, customer 3 located in city 2. For an example, same city, different customers. So one country can have multiple customers in the same city, or one country can have multiple customers in the different cities. So I am showing you here the same. So here like customer 4, customer 5, customer 4 we have in the city 2 or city 2, customer 3 we have in the city 3, for an example. So what is going on here? We are grouping together all the customers outbound delivery to deliver to them the product in the different cities. Our customer located in the different cities in a same state, or it could be different city in the different states. It's very simple. One country can contain different states, or it contains different states. Different states contain different cities, small cities. Or our customer located in same city, different customer in the same city, in the same state, in the same one country, one state, in one city, multiple customer could be, okay, could be located, or in a different countries, different state, different cities, different customers, depends upon the business. So here we call this is the wave 1, wave type 1 collection of, okay, optimization. Outbound deliveries, for each and every customer we have the outbound deliveries, but the common material we have here, printers, okay, for an example, or different materials. Outbound delivery wave 1, we call this is the outbound deliveries. Like similar, we deliver the product to the another customers which located in city 1, city 2, customer 1, customer 2, country D. We deliver through this is called outbound deliveries. Why deliveries? Because different customers, so different deliveries, okay. And this is we call wave type, or wave 1, wave type 1, or wave 1. So, and for the same, like route could be, for an example, here we are sending the goods to the customer through the goods train. Okay, so in this way we call this is the routes, okay. Route means this is a outbound delivery, this is the outbound deliveries. Just a moment guys.